Hey everyone, it's Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Thank you so much for joining us today. In this video, I'll be highlighting some insurance options for a rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y here in Sydney, Australia for my situation. Given that we'll be taking delivery of this rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned on the channel for more content for the rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y. Alright, so this presentation today is labelled Rear-wheel drive Model Y Australia Comprehensive Car Insurance Research, April 2023. And as a financial disclaimer, I must let you know that I do not receive a commission for any of these companies that I'm putting up on the screen in a couple of slides' time. I am just doing this purely for research purposes, and I'll be paying for an insurance product for the rear-wheel drive Model Y. There is no commission and no promotion at all, or endorsement for that matter, of any of these particular insurers. And also, this is only for entertainment purposes only. This is not professional financial advice, so please seek your own independent advice before purchasing an insurance product for your vehicle. Alright, so this is my situation. I will be purchasing a Tesla Model Y rear-wheel drive MY23. I'm a 42-year-old male. This is for private use only. I am the owner of this vehicle. There is no finance owing. I've had an Australian driver license for the last 10 years and more. I've had no license suspensions for the last 3 years. I've had no at-fault insurance claims. I've had no insurance claims denied in the last 5 years. I'll be seeking one excess-free windscreen replacement per annum if possible on these policies. I will be requiring car hire during any accident or repair claim because otherwise I can't get to work. I would like a no-claim discount protection after the first claim if possible for these policies. I'll be seeking an age-restricted policy if possible because nobody under the age of 40 will be driving this vehicle. There'll be no factory-fitted options or aftermarket modifications for this vehicle. This vehicle will be garaged in my home. I'll be driving up to 15,000 kilometers per annum, and I will be seeking current market value at the time of a claim. There'll be a maximum no-claim bonus because there's been no claims, and I'll be seeking choice of repairer as well, and I'll be discussing more about seeking a choice of repairer for your insurance policy and why that's important, and also a new for old replacement under 2 years of age. And keep in mind too that this is for comprehensive car insurance in New South Wales. That's different from the compulsory third-party insurance, which is more for medical bills if you meet an accident in New South Wales. Okay, so for the postcode of Chatswood, New South Wales 2067, I've highlighted 7 insurance companies that I could find online quotes for. Let's go through each of them right now. So the NRMA is the cheapest premium that I could find for $1,476.89 with an excess of $1,500. And I've tried to keep the excess around this figure for the purposes of this video. And the NRMA has an asterisk because it includes a 17.5% loyalty discount, given that I've got a few policies with them already. And again, I must stress I don't endorse the NRMA. I don't receive any commission at all for promoting them or endorsing them. This is just the cheapest one I could find with my situation. I'm also an NRMA member as well for roadside assistance if required. The next cheapest that I could find was Allianz, $2,034.32 with an excess of $1,500. The next cheapest was AAMI, $2,344.39 with an excess of $1,520. I've got this in red because the AAMI out of all these policies do not give you the choice of repairer. And again, I will go through what that means if you own a Tesla in the next slide. For ComInsure, $2,381.16 with an excess of $1,700. Now, I must say, ComInsure is what I've been with for the last few years, and given the pricing, I probably will not be with them anymore when we take the delivery of the Tesla Model Y rear-wheel drive, because the price has certainly gone up for my situation compared to companies like NRMA and Allianz. The next one is GIO, offering $2,476.61 with an excess of $1,645. I've got a little accent here because an additional 10% discount may apply if you are a multi-policy holder with GIO, so which that may put you under that the price for ComInsure. Suncorp, $2,651.75 with an excess of $1,695. And again, a little hash there for Suncorp because that may attract a 15% discount if you have a multi-policies with Suncorp. And finally, QBE, the most expensive of the lot, $2,814.08 with an excess of $1,500. Of course, with each of these situations, if you increase your excess, then your annual premium will go down as well in general. So this is the spread, as you can see, between the 7 insurers that I could find online quotes for a rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y for Chatswood, New South Wales, postcode 2067 here in Sydney, Australia. As you can see, there's a huge spread. There's almost a double price difference between the NRMA with your policy discounts compared to QBE, which is $2,800, $1,400 for NRMA. So it really does pay to shop around. Don't just go with the first quote. Look around for your situation. This is purely for my situation, and just to give you a guide really of what to expect. Of course, results may vary for your situation where you are in Australia. Now, finally, the importance of having a choice of repairer. Now, just go back to this slide here. Again, the AAMI is the only policy between all 7 of these quotes that don't offer you the choice of repairer. The rest do. Just be careful when you select some of these. You've got to tick the little checkbox to say that you want the choice of repairer. So why am I so particular about a choice of repairer? Don't all parts need to come from Tesla or from a Tesla-approved body shop anyway? All parts for repairs need to be sourced from Tesla eventually, but from what I hear from those in the smash repair industry, is that if an insurance company does not give you a choice of repairer, they then reserve the right to send you to someone in their network. If you're lucky, that may be a Tesla-approved body shop. However, it's quite likely that it will not be particularly so because Tesla vehicles only make up a small percentage of our fleet in Australia. If you're stuck with a non-approved workshop, they have to order the parts from an approved body shop, who then have to order the parts from Tesla directly, or the insurance company has to send you to an approved body shop anyway. But the question then becomes, how long will this process take? Days? Weeks? How valuable is your time? Are you happy to be given the runaround? Multiple phone calls? How long are you happy to go without your Tesla? For me personally, I want my car fixed ASAP, and that's why I'll pay the premium to have a choice of repairer, which is critical for a specialized vehicle like Tesla. I've heard of situations where the insurer that doesn't allow you a choice of repairer will send you to a Tesla-approved body shop that is out of your area and far away from your home. So bottom line is, do yourself a favor, get a policy that gives you the choice of repairer. Alright everyone, well that's it from me, Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll just put you back to the first slide. That has been the rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y comprehensive car insurance research for April 2023 for my situation. Hopefully, you can also get a good price for a policy that suits you in Australia. Let us know in the comment section if you have. Thanks for watching. Otherwise, until the next Ludicrous Feed video, happy charging.